Actually, this is a presentation, the skit. I hope you all enjoyed it. Did you like the skit? It's something that it was a concept basically in our mind because there's a lot of blind faith in our country. So we wanted to get together and do something about that. And what a better way to kind of break that blind faith rather than have a child there at the center. That kind of, shows you because हर बच्चे में भगवान तो बसता ही है. So we thought that, it was a thought that we thought we could take this whole system ahead, this blind faith belief of the people, and sort of open their minds, their hearts, and not allow them to do something that was. So it is kind of a social statement that will sort of keep the people, educate them, and keep them away from anything that's incorrect or wrong or any of the wrong beliefs that are happening in our system. Is there? So, besides this, we'd like to introduce our cast of the show. So, can you all come on stage? You all have already seen their skills on display right now. So, here they come. I think they're changing the other.
करुणा This styling girl is a find, and as you can see from her face, it's only innocence, and only an innocent child like that can challenge the myths and the irregularities that we have in the system. And I think she'll do a pretty good job. What do you guys think? I would like to introduce to you.
Amir Talvi.
He's my namesake, so
Yeah, that's why I got the job.
right. So he's playing a very important character. It's going to be a huge surprise when he is revealed, and it's going to take the show to a whole new level. And we've been very fortunate that we got Amir Dalvi to play this part. And now over to him.
Okay, thanks. Hi. Uh, yeah, great opportunity. This is my second show with Colors. So the last one was way back in 2009. Feels great. It's a great show. Sonali and Amir are great to work with. Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks Colors for the opportunity. And we're really looking forward to. She's one rock star over here. So she's really, to look out for. And it's a great team that we've put together. So I hope it really does well.
And next to me is Karuna Pandey, and you must have all known her from seeing her in previous shows. And she's also been a find. Actually, thankfully, thanks to Sonali's acumen, has a very good eye and keen sense of casting the right people for the right shows, which even we managed to do in our previous show. So here she's done a good, fantastic job. And again, Karuna Pandey we've been very fortunate that we got her on the show. And it took a lot of effort to convince her. Initially, because there were a few things that we were stuck on, but she came through, and I'm very happy about it. And I hope that she will not regret anything like that.
Thank you so much, sir. I want to thank ma'am and sir for giving me this show. ऐसा पात्र मैंने पहले कभी किया नहीं है. मतलब नकारात्मक शेड्स किए हैं, लेकिन इसमें जो शेड्स हैं, जो इसकी लिखाई है, मतलब as he said कि rockstar, only the concept, the content, the writing is a rock star in the show. वो आपको बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाएगा. बहुत खूबसूरती से लिखा हुआ है ये show. And I'm very बहुत खुश हूँ मैं इसका पार्ट होकर.
Yeah, now we'll show you the AV of the show so that we can. Thank you so much. Thank you for being patient with all of us.
3 अक्टूबर से रात 7 बजे
All of you right, please. Yeah. निकालने तो दो. हाँ, निकाल. Presenter, please.
मेरा जो किरदार है वो है एक ऐसी औरत का जो अपने मतलब के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है। वो अपने मतलब के लिए एक छोटी सी बच्ची से उसके हाथ से लड्डू छीन सकती है, उसको मतलब नींद की गोलियां तक दे सकती है। मेरा वो किरदार है कि अपने फ़ायदे के लिए मैं एक बच्ची का बचपन कैसे भी ख़त्म कर सकती हूँ। तो किरदार तो वो है। एक्चुअली ये शो बहुत ऐसे मैं ये शो नहीं करने वाली थी क्योंकि मैं बाहर थी मेरी किसी दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट की शूटिंग के लिए, बट कहते हैं ना डेस्टिनी स्पीक्स। तो मेरा वो उस प्रोजेक्ट पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई और मैं मुंबई वापस आई। तो मुंबई वापस आके मैंने सबसे पहला कॉल सोनाली को किया कि सोनाली नाउ आई एम फ्री। सो सोनाली ने बोला हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं चाहती हूँ तू मेरा शो करे, और तू क्यों नहीं मेरा शो कर रही है, तू आ ऑडिशन दे। तो मैंने ऑडिशन दिया और सिलेक्ट हो गई। नहीं, मुझे नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये बिल्कुल भी जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है उससे मैं रिलेट नहीं करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अपने फ़ायदे के लिए किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुँचा सकती। लेकिन मेरा जो किरदार है इस शो में वो यही है कि कैसे एक इंसान अपने फ़ायदे के लिए, अपने परिवार के फ़ायदे के लिए किसी बच्ची का फ़ायदा उठाता है।
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
और कोई क्वेश्चन?
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
हाँ बोलिए। देखो इस शो में मसाला है, इमोशन सब है, मतलब मसाला भी है, इमोशंस भी हैं, कॉमेडी भी है, रोना धोना हंसना गाना जो भी एक डेली सोप में होता है, मुझे लगता है उससे थोड़ा बढ़कर है। तो बेहतर है कि वो शो देख